Horses don't need to go to the therapist, they're stable. Crossing the street at Newark Penn Station is like flossing your teeth. You have to squeeze through every nook and cranny before you're through. I believe that toilets are anti-feminists. After all, women can do stand-up comedy as well as men, but the toilet won't allow them to take that position. My husband is the toilet when he drives his car. He's always backing up. A Hindu worships Lord Ganesha, but he is interrupted by Bacchius, the god of wine, who says encouragingly, "That's the spirit." A man has only one shot to make a movie, but he gets drunk anyway. Leif Erikson and George Bush have a lot in common. Stuffed grape leaves, and her husband never sees her again and becomes a vegetable. Christians drink the blood of Christ because he is king of the Jews. Apple juice. There's a beaver in my backyard. I can't tell him to shoo because he's already eaten mine. That just leaves me to talk about crime. Criminals these days do it backwards. They need to be charged before they can commit battery. And if they commit assault, they get high blood pressure. And I really don't understand why they put criminals in cells. Cells are a type of battery. If they want you to read it, why do they call it classifieds? And speaking of newspapers, I looked in the obituaries today, and I tried to tell someone about it, but my phone was in a dead zone. It must have had a bug. I saw a fly today. If there were a spider here, it'd say, "Yo, I might hurt a fly." It's time to duck whenever geese fly over you.